Yep, we're back in the lab again. It is 12:08. Tecumseh tapping film. Somebody said they want to buy the Tecumseh. Cool. Bad. So, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dede. We back again in the lab, in the shop, in the content garage, aka Votes Mini Bikes, also known as. No, I'm playing. Somebody donated a go-kart. Shout out to my boy. You know, he said he didn't want his name to be mentioned, so shout out to him. Appreciate you. We finna do a long project with this go-kart, so I need y'all to support so we can do more stupid things to this go-kart that I want to do. My plans is I want to extend it out, put long wheelie bars, a super long, extra long pipe for no reason, fat slicks. You know, I want a dragged out look that just look retarded. For those who commented their states and cities, I've seen. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna take a lucky. I'm gonna do a random comment. Here, votes.
From Tucson, Arizona.
Charlie, shout out to Charlie from Arizona, man.
And shout out Clint Murphy, Beaumont, Texas. Woodland, California.
Right. Who else?
No, that's it.
That's it, bruh. All them people on there, and you. It was somebody from I
There's
think
from
it was
someone from Long Beach, bro.
Yeah, I think it was somebody from New Jersey. Finding from New Jersey. So
Yeah, Brick, New Jersey.
let me see. Show it.
And then Detroit too.
Oh yeah, shout out. One time in the D. Yes, sir. Bro,
California.
I will give up more shout outs next video.
Red Springs,
Give my phone
California.
back. Golly. But look, we back in the lab. Let's show y'all the go-kart. Check it out. For those who don't know, this is Votes engine, aka my old engine. Yes, sir. So this is the one I did 77 on pump gas, standard valve, standard head, just supporting springs. It got tri-stars, 5-inch tri-stars all the way around that are very rusted and dingy. I took my carburetor off my bike to even get it to run because he messed his up. The seat is somewhere in there. You know, it's safe enough. So work. The brakes don't work at all, so you know, it's all good though. Like, look at the dry rot on us. The tire rods, it's right though. But look, it's a go-kart. We're running on a max torque. It's on an independent axle, aka as we call it in the LA, peg leg. So got some crazy webs, some spider webs, and a humongous 5-stage rifle of a pipe, aka my ancestors fought with this in the war. You know, mommies. Right, look at this. Bruh, start it up. Go get the starter box. Start this thing up.
I need $5, bro.
$5. Hold up. Alright. Honestly, I probably gotta say the steering wheel is my favorite thing. Like, look at that carbon fiber. Bruh, it's a carbon fiber steering wheel. Like, what can I say, you know? It works a little bit. It works good enough. So, wait. Who did that manifold? You did that manifold like that?
Like the thing?
Yeah, what is that? Is that a piece of tape? Bro,
That's a piece of that wasn't
get
me,
up
though.
out of here, bro.
That wasn't me though.
Stop working on stuff. Just stick to sales,
That
okay?
wasn't me.
Stick to sales. Bro, what is you doing?
Fucking did it. Shit don't want to come out.
Oh yeah, I do all the engine work. Yes, sir. That's about it. Come votes.
Alright, bro, this is what I'm trying to do. Just watch this fucking.
Yo, look at this dude.
Who's coming?
I'm putting up on the mini bike vote. No, bro. Oh my gosh.
Imagine that shit would win another league. How big do you want to make the stages though?
I don't know. How long you want it to be?
Just twice as long.
3 times as long? Yes, sir. What's happening, man?
Yes, sir. We here.
What you come over here to get?
Sprocket.
Sprocket? Y'all
Chain.
Chain.
How you been, Dede?
Chillin'.
That's good.
Not finished.
You finished. Alright, so what's your bright idea?
I don't know. Someone did this bullshit ass shit.
But what are you about to do?
I don't know.
Bruh.
Wait, where's the pipe system? That's what I need to find. Oh,
This?
right here. Damn, fucking hold it.
Don't fit? Or is it?
Just bend, that's fine. We could just cut it though. Yeah, we're gonna have to cut it.
Yep. I'm on it. I'm finna cut it. Let me get the tool ready. So yeah, I'm welding. I'm welding my first pipe. Yeah, so right now the pipe is measuring at 34 inches, so yeah. Then we got Votes over here finally doing something, which makes no sense. Cause this guy doesn't work on anything, not even his own bike. Wink, wink. So this is the finished product. How was it? 9 stages? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I believe. How you think it's gonna sound?
I don't know.
You don't know. What if I put it on my bike? How you think it's gonna sound? Sheesh!
What if it sounds like?
What if it sounds like? I'm gonna be so disappointed in you. What if it breaks the first startup? Bro, my welds are crisp. What you talking about? Psych. You don't get no better. It's probably my best. Nah.
Where's the half?
It's probably my best one. Yeah, it is in my pocket. Here. It's gonna sound weak because of the clutch though. Like, it don't sound good unless you put it on the built motor.
I'm just hungry for today.
You got to hit the gas while you're doing it. In the lab with my boy.
What's up?
RJ. Yes,
sir.
Oh man. But y'all know this is one of my subscribers. This is the dude that I went live with on Instagram that I posted on YouTube a while back. Well, more like the last video, because I only upload like once a week now. So he came here to get a governor delete and jetted PWK, which is right there. Yes, sir. Anything you want to say to the camera? Shout outs?
That's really it.
That's
I ain't
it.
got nothing to
You
say.
ain't got nothing to say, man. You got something to say. Follow your page, Instagram page, something.
Follow me on YouTube. Stop the cap _ It's
YouTube
_
or
everywhere.
wait, YouTube or Instagram?
Both.
Both. All right. What you do for YouTube?
I haven't done that yet.
Yeah, oh, man.
Yo,
see,
I'm
look,
working on it.
you tripping, playing games. But yeah, this is his motor right here. Shout out to my guy Mo. Y'all know. If you know, you know. Mo Frame on the channel. Shout out to my boy Jay-Z for starting the trend. I want one. I ain't gonna lie to you, these helmets pretty sick. So let's get to it. Let's get this motor on, broken down, and I'll get back to you in a little bit. Today we busy. I done got 1 bike out. I got 3 bikes in. I'm gonna try to get these 3 bikes out before the day is over with. We got My bike right here. Got Andy bike right here. A customer bike right here. Another customer bike right here. But check this out. Boy, if you don't get your big... I'm playing. What you gotta say about that?
I was talking about my fenders.
We got tires for sale. Come get your front tires. We got tires for sale. This is the legendary line stage rifle musket pipe go-kart. It need a name. Quick, give it a name.
The 9 stage.
The 9 stage? The 9 stage. I'm gonna try to get this out Sunday somehow, some way.
For sale.
For sale.
$550.
Everything for sale, even votes.
No.
No, I do not promote human trafficking. Yeah, like this V-Long drip, big dog. Yes, see. Over here, got my motor over here on the table. Just freshen it up.
For sale, 1,000.
For sale, 1,000? Never. Why are you lying? Yes, sir. Let's get to it. Oh yeah, I went and checked my clutch out. I went to Daryl's shop, asking some questions about the clutch. Just grease it up again. Readjust it, because as you use the disc, they get worn out. So they get thinner and thinner and thinner. So you need to adjust them so they can grab again. That's about it. We just in the shop working. Votes' father, Mr. Votes, is over here welding. So he over here welding, getting his weld on. Yes, sir. And for some reason, Votes got his bike upside down, but I don't know why. But yeah, we're gonna get to it. So, done with this bike. Uh-oh, you see the sticker. Stop playing. Don't forget, pick up your merch. Coming soon, you feel me? But yeah, he done. Got his little rockers and springs in there now. So he finna be on the streets. Got Mr. Votes over here. Still welding, fabricating. Yes, sir. Then and for this bike had caught on fire. So I'm just gonna jet the carburetor, put everything back together. Pretty much basic job, but like, dang. Fun fact, I had a bike that caught on fire before. Most embarrassing thing on earth, but that's about it. Crazy. He actually dropped the candle over here. Oh my gosh. This dude's an idiot. Yo. Oh, there go my brother too. What up?
Too fast for me, man. I'm too old for this kind of shit.
No, Chelino pulled up in the can now. Cause he done broke some, so you know I gotta fix it for him, cause he always breaking some. So I got the tools out.
This nigga dancing on my shit. If you fuck something up, I'm keeping your car, nigga.
Not the
Beat. Give me the beat. I just want that beat. That's all I want.
All that shit gonna be an offer up, or I'm gonna pull it to your house. Hey, you really want the beat? If not, I'm taking it to Cat. Cause I know Cat will blow that motherfucking sub out. Hey, why you let him get a hold of the 15? Now it don't even bump no more.
Nigga, you done broke the seat.
Look here, sit down.
Sit on in
Sit
it.
down.
Nigga, I'll sit. You think I'm playing? I'll sit on in it. Look, this thing don't never get clean. You sure you done bought the right battery? Nah, that don't look like the right battery, big dog.
I'm like, imagine if my keys pop up right here.
Hey, imagine if your phone dropped back there, though.
That'll be some shit.
No, that's right. That's what I'm saying to Cali. Yo.
Hey, I couldn't help it. It was spinning around.
All right, so look,
I
you
got
got
it in
the
2017.
new battery in. You got what, John? You can't get the chair.
Fuck you.
You can't get the chair in. Hold on. Why you struggling like that?
Oh, I got it now.
So, new battery. How you liking it?
My shit don't turn on.
That's yours?
This shit going on with us.
And
And
the sub, they gonna have to
we're
work that out.
gonna share that.
My shit don't turn on, you done, son.
All right.
I'm turning it
Nervous
on.
as fuck. Hold on.
You nervous? You got the fire extinguisher?
I'll take that camera too.
Uh-oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Keep it real. Alright, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Uh-oh. You know I'm tall, I gotta get adjusted. This nigga crazy, y'all. We gonna go to jail. We gonna go to jail, fuck with you. Let me get the fuck up out of here before they try to sue me. Hey. Look, nigga, the county gonna try to pick us up. Nigga, you finna have me going to jail. I don't know. If they ain't here, they gonna be here soon.
How you feel that shit? Man, that's
like that
crazy.
shit?
Yeah.
Hey, that's retarded. Hey, wait till.
Sandals too.
Yeah,
Look.
that's what I was like, man.
Wait till I get my own though.
He said, hey, you ride with him, I'm gonna drive your car.
Hey,